Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a fading effect to a picture in Canva. So a fading effect is essentially just a transparency effect that allows you to see what's behind the object. For example, I have this picture and in the background there is a sunset, and if I set the transparency, let's say I'm going to click on this image and set the transparency to be, let's say, 30%. Now we got a fading effect. So this is the basic of the fade effect in Canva, but it's not very interesting. So I want to show you something else that is a bit more attractive and looks more fun. So I have this picture. This is the same image as before, except now the background is just solid orange. And I'm going to add a gradient effect that is kind of transitioning from a color into transparent. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the background for this picture, and I'm going to make her a little bit bigger. Let's put it here, and I'm going to adjust this as needed. Okay, I think this is good enough. And after that, let's navigate to elements, and then you want to search for transparent gradient. That's the keyword that we are looking for, and navigate to the graphic section. You will see plenty of different colors, but don't worry, you could pretty much pick any color. In this example, I'm going to pick this black, and as you can see, it is partly transparent, so it is kind of transitioning from a color to no color, to be transparent. But of course, this is not orange, so we can see clearly the gradient is kind of obstructing the view. So what you need to do is you have to click on this image, click edit, and go to duotone, click custom, and for the highlights you want to click here, and you want to pick the color of the background, and you will do the same for the shadows. Click on the color, click this tool, and then select the background color, and make sure the intensity is 100%. So yeah, this is the effect that we just created. It's kind of from nothing, it's kind of bleeding from here to here. The color is kind of transitioning smoothly. So yeah, that is another way where you could use a fading effect to an image in Canva. If you find this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.